Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. For today's video ay magpo-file tayo ng quarterly withholding tax that is for January, February, March. Pero no worries kasi ang babayaran lang natin dito is for March. So may na-download na kayong ABIR forms, ayan, open lang natin. Dito lahat ginagawa ang filing. And ito na siya. Sa una ay ilalagay natin yung ating PIN number. And then once na nakapag-file na kayo dito, automatic na mag-fill out yung mga details dito sa taas. Like your name, address, and everything. And then punta tayo dito sa list of BIR forms. Hanapin natin yung 1601 EQ, yan, quarterly. Click lang natin yan, quarterly. So, wala naman bago dyan. So, yan talaga yung i-click natin. 1601 EQ, quarterly remittance, and then click fill up. And then click OK, and then mariroute na tayo dito sa form ng 1601 EQ. Ito yung form na gagamitin natin for quarterly withholding, samantala pag month is 0619E. Then fill out na natin for the year 2024 first quarter. Ang first quarter is January, February, March. And then amended return no, any tax withheld yes. Then lagyan natin yung item 11. Make sure naka-private kayo kung sole proprietorship. Pero kung government. Then after that, click natin tong ATC. Wait natin na mag-load. And there, ilalagay natin kung anong ATC base sa ating nirerentahan. I-100 pag individual yung nirerentahan nyo, hindi corporate or corporation. WC100 pag corporation or cooperative yung nirerentahan nyo. So sa akin, WC100 kasi yung nirerentahan ko is corporation. So click natin yan. Tagal mag-click ko. Then sa dulo, click OK. Alright. And dito sa tax base, ilalagay natin yung 3 months na binayaran mo for the rent. Like 7,000 times 3, 21,000. Alright. And then yung tax rate is naka-auto naman na siya 5%. 1,050 yung tax rate ng 21,000. And then dito sa number 20, lalagay natin yung binayaran natin for the January and then for the February. Then ayan na siya, yung total amount na lang is 350 for the March. Yan na yung babayaran natin. And then click validate. Once successful, that's okay. That's okay na. Then click submit final copy. And then okay. Then click okay. And there, wait ulit natin yung loading. Minsan matagal talaga siya. And there, submit successful. So, a notification will be sent to your email. And make sure na tama yung email natin para na-receive natin yon from BIR. Okay? Then, click natin yung print kung meron kayong printer. Pero kung wala, pwede nyo rin naman siya i-save as PDF. Just click cancel print. O i-cancel print. Yeah, tapos yung Microsoft print to PDF, click lang natin yan ng double click. Tapos ay, ayan na, lagyan niya na ng file name para hindi kayo malito. And after that, pwede nyo siyang i-save. And pwede nyo siyang ipaprint as your copy. Then after natin mag-file, ay kailangan pa natin mag-submit ng QAP submission kasi kailangan yun for quarterly and annual na withholding tax filing. So, kailangan talaga isubmit yon. So, first, click lang natin tong alpha list data entry. Then, need natin mag-log in. Actually, guys, pag bago pa lang kayo dito, kailangan nyo mag-register para magkaroon kayo ng username at password. Alright, so yung sa pansinip kasi sticky notes para hindi ko nakakalimutan. So, here we go. Click lang natin okay, and then yung QAP forms, then 1601E. Then ito na yung form. Palitan lang natin for the month of January 2024, and then amended return no, any tax withheld, yes. And then for the quarter of first quarter, and then add or update sa schedule 1. And then January 2024 ang ating workout. Then lagay natin yung tin ng nirerintahan natin. Of course, kailangan natin hingin yun sa kanila. And pag cooperative or corporation, sa registered name lang ilalagay yung name nung nirerentahan nyo. No din na yung last name sa first name. Debut na tayo dito sa alphanumeric ATC. WC100 ako kasi corporation. WI100 pag individual lang yung nirerentahan nyo, okay? And then sa amount of income payment, that is for January, 7,000. And then yung tax rate is 5%. Automatic yan ka, so kailangan kung I type ulit. And ayan, 350 yung amount tax withheld, save, click save. Alright, and then exit. Pagtapos na. After that, for the month of Feb naman tayo. So, 02/2024. So, bakit naging 2022? 2024, please. Oh my God, what's going on here? Yarn. And then, amended return, no. Withheld, yes, for the first quarter. And then, click add or update sa schedule 1. Then, lagay ulit yung TIN number ng nirerentahan natin. Click add pala guys, bago kayo makapag-edit. So, ganun lang naman guys, paulit-ulit lang. TIN number lang na nirerentahan nyo, registered name ng nirerentahan nyo, and then ATC, WC100 pag corporate, WI100 pag individual yung nirerentahan nyo. Okay, so yun lang yung tatandaan nyo. Pag rent lang talaga. Tapos, amount of income payment, binayaran nyo for the month of February, sa akin 7,000. Ang tax rate na 5% is 350. Pag okay na, save nyo lang. And then, pag na-save nyo na, click exit. Okay guys, last for the month of March. And then, for the first quarter, add or update schedule 1. Okay. Then, lagay ulit yung TIN number na nirerentahan nyo, registered name, ATC, WC100. Depende sa nirerentahan nyo yung ATC. Ang individual, WI100. Pag corporate, WC100. Then, amount of payment, 7,000 for the March. For the month of March, 5% is 350. Pag okay na, click save. Then, exit. After this, guys, kailangan natin mag-generate file for the month of March na. Lalagay nyo, tapos for the first quarter, then click generate file. And then, under by the alpha 17 na file, save nyo lang. So, ang nakalagay dyan una is for the March of 2024, save. Sunod is January, save. Sunod is Feb, save. So, okay na, successfully created. So, once done mag-submit at mag-generate, exit na tayo dito. Next naman natin na-open is Alpha List Validation Form. Then, lagay yung TIN number pag hindi siya automatically saved. And then, 2024, then click 1601 EQ, then click Browse. And then, dito sa file na to, Alpha 70, hanapin lang yung mga file na nasave natin kanina. Alright. So, ayan. January 2024. Pag January 01 nakalagay, okay? Then sa month 01, 2024, validate file. And then select. And, ayan, no errors encountered. Pwede yan, okay siya. Walang error. Then, X natin. Ayan, validation successful, okay. And then, next naman natin is for the month of Feb 02. Okay, test yung month palitan lang natin ng 02. And then, validation file, and then select. And then, the errors encountered. Click X, then validation successful. Alright. Next but not the least is for the month of March. Ayan, 03, 2024, then click OK. Palitan lang ng 03 yung month, and then validate file. And then select, then no errors encountered, means OK. Click X, and then validation successful, OK. So, ayan, tapos na tayo sa validation. Last step, guys, is to submit yung mga na-file natin. Alright, punta tayo dito sa email or Gmail. And then, since send na ako nito, punta na lang ako sa send messages, tas hanapin ko yung email for e-submission. Okay, so nawawala pa talaga ako. Sent. Tapos, search ko na lang yung email na e-submission. Ito na siya, guys. Nahanap ko yung 4th quarter na final ko or sinend ko no 2023 din. Send email na lang ako. So, tandaan niya yung email is e-submission@bir.gov.ph. Then, yung subject natin ay QAP 1601E first quarter 2024. Tapos, yung body natin is kinapi ko lang dyan sa last submission ko. The number, name, address, and contact number. Then, attach file na natin yung January, February, and March na that file. That is under Alpha 70 file. And then, hanapin natin yung 01-2024 6201EQ. Alright. Next. Attach file po. Alright. Hanapin din natin yung 02-2024 1601EQ for the Feb. Next one is 03-2024 1601EQ. Alright, so make sure na tama yung year or month na naselect natin bago natin ito i-submit. Okay? So, chinek ko naman, okay naman na siya. So, click na natin yung send, and after that, ayan na. Natapos na rin tayo sa wakas. Oh my God. And of course, after nyo mag-file lahat-lahat, huwag nyo pa kalimutan magbayad. Ayun, nabayad na ako through Pigmaya. 370, 20 yung biller's fee. And ayan yung branch code, type code, firm series, RDO code, the return period. Return period kung kailan yung month na binayaran nyo, which is March. Mag-file na pala kayo, guys, kasi bukas na yung due date ng quarterly withholding tax, April 30, 2024. Yun lang, guys. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Bye!